museum formal learning jobs are really hard to come by anyway, and in Wales there's kind of higher requirements that allow you to enter these roles, and the fact that I've been able to establish myself in Cyfarthfa as the education officer, I'm really proud of that, and the opportunity to use my degree in a way that felt more meaningful and impactful for me. I knew I wanted to work with children and be an education officer and be able to teach and to be able to just continue to preach the history of Merthyr and how important it is and how everything links back to Merthyr. So I think that hits home for me, to be able to share deep-rooted local knowledge but also its impact on the rest of the world, and really show pupils that you could be proud of being from Merthyr. And everyone always says that the castle is the jewel in Merthyr's crown, and there's a history for everybody. Who thought there was Romans literally a mile above the castle in Pendarren? There's something for everyone.